I've never had the impulse to write a review for a product before. I figure people will discover for themselves how good something is without my help. But after trying the Leptitox supplements, this changed. I knew I had to help other people understand what this product offers, since it gave me what I had been after for years. I personally didn't find Leptitox because of a review, I found it because I was desperate. I had been struggling with my weight since I was a teenager, and after a few decades had had enough. I had been on every diet imaginable, low fat, low carb, fruit fasting. I tried everything, as well as various health products and workout programs. I spent time and money on things I hoped would change me. So I came to Leptitox with a lot of skepticism and a baggage load of disappointment. The fact they offered a 60-day money-back guarantee made the decision to purchase a lot easier. Less to lose. I'm so glad they chose to offer the program this way, since it made it more appealing for someone like me who really couldn't emotionally deal with another thing which felt like it just took my money, without even delivering the results. When you buy the program, you automatically get the 60-day money-back guarantee. I already took a few basic supplements, a multivitamin and vitamin D, for the cloudy Washington days, and just slipped the Leptitox supplement alongside these, so it wasn't that hard for me to remember to take them. If you're new to taking supplements, you may need to set an alarm on your phone, etc., but this wasn't an issue for me. It was easy to remember to take them. I just left the bottle out on the surface with my other vitamins. I guess their effect could be considered magic, but they're that way for a reason, for a scientific reason. That's what creates the change. First of all, the 100% natural. That made me feel better right off the bat. They're mainly composed of herbs, with a spice or two, and a couple science-wise sounding amino acids thrown in for good measure. These 22 ingredients work together to do three things: help the body detox, control the appetite, and promote healthy weight loss. The daily dosage is 2 capsules taken once a day, and you're supposed to take those 2 capsules 20 to 30 minutes before you eat. For me, it was easiest to take this dose first thing in the morning. My work schedule is too erratic to have it later in the day. I would have it before breakfast, and this really worked for me. It was easy to remember. I got out of bed and pretty much took the capsules then and there, then I could just get on with my day, not having to remember it again. Pretty easy. Before Leptitox, I had no clue about how EDCs, endocrine disrupting chemicals, disturb the way my body works. I didn't even know they existed. Which kind of made me wonder about why society doesn't make a bigger deal of them, but anyway. They mess with the body in a major way, and they're found in so many things around us, things we could consider safe or inert. Now that I've mentioned results, if you've stuck with my review this far, you're probably wondering what they are. I achieved more than I thought would be possible for me. The first week I lost 2 to 3 pounds, encouraging, but I still passed it off as circumstantial, thinking next week I'd be back at my regular weight. Long story short, at the end of the 60-day money-back guarantee period I had lost 17 pounds, and in another 60-day period I had reached a 32 pounds loss. To say I was thrilled would be an understatement. Most diet protocols call for extreme deprivation and punishing workouts. With Leptitox I didn't have to do any of that. Now, did it take no effort at all? No, I had to be dedicated to taking the supplements, and address and fix the weak areas of my lifestyle which added unnecessary toxicity. I had to think about what I was doing, but did I have to run myself into the ground? Not at all. This program gave me the body I never had, or at least hadn't had since my early teens. If I can inspire you to take a chance, like I did, and try Leptitox for yourself, I really hope I've done that. Now that I've experienced what I have, I can say that taking the risk and trying one more thing is worth it. Even after a string of failed diets and weight loss plans, please don't give up on yourself. Change is possible. It happened for me, and it turned my life around.